song doesn't get worse for it at all. Instead, I want to improve it every day and advance it. For my friend, advance isn't all good. And everyone says she has, I don't know how many lovers, for which I take such joy that I forget anger. And I swear to you, by God, if she had as many as they say, she wouldn't think she loved anyone but me. Instead, I beg her to love the small and the great. She loses in the days and months and years. If she loves me a little, I love her 1,000 times more. For here I know she'll have mercy on me afterward. Let all those love her who take the desire for it. Time goes away and we don't advance anything. And when she's an old head-shaking woman, you'll find that she didn't love anyone but me. I'm not at all one of those foolish lovers who swear God doesn't love with as much. Whoever can suffer the winds and the goings, I say that to the one who doesn't suit her lover. For I've suffered many times losses and harms, but I'm not alone in it, for it happens to many. Instead, I'd want her to love 500 pagans, as long as afterward she knew she loved me. Beautiful friend, graceful and well-made, if you find some of those pimping rogues who carry plenty of sterlings and bezants, and for wealth a man does many things, don't let it trouble you if you think of many troubles. For the poor man wants very much what he sees. And prized, and you'll find the English and the Normans, and your house is wide and spacious. Put so many in it until you have it full, and then more than a German nag, your horse won't be without the bridle. And when you have your purse and gloves full, then you can do your